मंत्री आणि फोंडेचो आमदार रवी नायकाच्या मरणा उपरांत फोंड्या पोटवेंचणूक जातली. वेंचणुकेक दोळ्यासमकार दवरून भाजपान आपलें काम नेटान सुरू केलां. काँग्रेस म्हणटा भाजपा आड लढपाक एकठांय येवपाची गरज.
That we have to unitedly fight. We cannot divide ourselves. And this view was discussed also with the highest party, that is with our, when I was in Delhi, I discussed this views of mine with the highest leadership, with Kharge ji, with Rahul Gandhi ji, with KC Venugopal ji, our desk in charge, that Goa today, if we divide ourselves, we are going to lose. Let us look at Goa first. Ponda is here. First of all, the date is not announced. But I will, as leader of opposition, make an appeal. I make an appeal also to the other political parties within the state, within the opposition, that the fight has to be 1-to-1. 1-to-1 there is a fight, we stand a very good chance. And the Congress party itself today in Ponda is strong. We are capable of winning this seat. MLAs from there, still there are so many things that need to be done. We will definitely speak to the other political parties, and the Congress party will definitely contest. And definitely the plan is to win. We are not here to do just to play an election. We are here to win.
Ponda seat actually आमगेले काँग्रेस सीट कळना तुका. So it is our first to ask for that seat. आणि आमकां गेलते पाटी आमी उडयले ZP उडयले ड्युरिंग MP इलेक्शन विनेबिलिटी चोवपाक जाय. Yes, definitely cadre we will ask तेंगेले views घेतले. But विनेबिलिटी चोवपाक जाय. We will see that गोंयचे कितें बरें आहा ताका लागून मागतले. दिसतो कोणी येता आनी दिल्लीसून येता आनी सांगता आपण कॅन्डिडेट घेतलो आमचे फार ते मारे लोक पिसना गोंयकार इलिटरेट न्हू लोकां भरपूर आहा पण
दिल्लीचे उलयता तुमचे एलिगेशन जाता की तुमची पार्टी दिल्लीच्या कंट्रोलान आहा.
केन्नाय आसपाना हे गेले पयले आलो कंट्रोल आलो ते सगळे तिने धाडे आमी
आन्सर दिला
आन्सर दिना म्हणटा
ऑल ऑपोजिशन ग्रँड अलायन्साचेर उलयले तेन्ना ताका विचारले बाबा तुजो एलओपी ग्रँड ऑपोजिशन अलायन्साचेर
कितें आसता मरे
आन्सरूच दिना
ना रे ना रे आतां आमी इलेक्ट जाले न्हू इलेक्ट जाले म्हणटकीर मातशें तकली डिफरंट जाता
तेजी डिफरंट
मागीर स्मूथ दिसता सो इलेक्शन पयलीं जिखता मागीर तें कोटले सारकें
सो ते
एसएमबी बसतलो जिखलो तो
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट.